Today, I'm going to show you how to create one of the coolest text effects in Canva, the transparent text effect. It looks professional, stylish, and honestly, it's one of those tricks that makes people say, "Wait, how did you do that?" The good news is it's way easier than it looks. So let's dive straight in. First, open up Canva and start a new project. You can pick any size you want. This effect works perfectly on a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, or even a presentation slide. Once your canvas is ready, go ahead and type out your text. Keep it simple for now, maybe just one or two words. You'll want to use a bold, thick font so that the effect really stands out. Fonts like Anton or Leak Spartan work perfectly here. Now, make that text nice and big, drag it across your canvas so it takes up plenty of space. Then change the color to white. At first glance, this looks pretty plain, but stay with me. Next, head over to the Effects panel and apply a lift shadow. Push the shadow intensity all the way up. This gives the letters a strong edge that helps them stand out. If it still feels a little weak, here's a simple trick. Just duplicate your text layer, place it directly on top of the first one, and now the effect looks twice as bold. Alright, now comes the fun part. Download this text design you just made. Save it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Once it's saved, upload it right back into Canva. Think of it like creating your own custom sticker. After that, delete the old text so you don't get confused and place the uploaded PNG onto your canvas. Now it's time to add some background magic. Choose an image you want behind your text. It could be a city skyline, a beach sunset, a colorful abstract design, whatever fits your project. Just make sure your background image is the same size as your text image so everything lines up properly. Here's where the important things really happens. Go to the Apps section inside Canva and search for Blend Images. Open the tool and you'll see two layers. In the top layer, place your text image. In the bottom layer, place your background image. Once you've done that, change the blend mode to multiply. And just like that, your background shines through your letters, giving you that clean, transparent text effect. Add it back to your design and admire the result. It looks like something you'd expect from Photoshop, but you did it right inside Canva. And that's it. Super quick, super simple, but incredibly effective. The cool thing is you don't have to stop here. You can get creative with it. Use a black and white photo for a bold and classy look. Drop in a colorful gradient to make it feel trendy and modern, or even place transparent text over a short video background. If you're working on the Reels or TikToks, that will make your design feel next level. One little tip before we wrap up. When you're picking your background, go for something that has texture or detail. Solid colors don't really show off the transparent effect, but a busy street at night, a mountain range, or even a messy paint splash will make the letters stand out beautifully. So there you go. That's how you create transparent text in Canva. It's easy, it looks amazing, and it instantly levels up your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button because it really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tricks and design hacks coming your way.